I've got another little game changer for you guys. Some of the most popular products on DipYourCar.com, especially on the peelable paint side, are the aerosols. We've got HyperDip aerosols, we've got PDS aerosols, we've got Dip Pearl aerosols, all peelable, hundreds of colors between all the different collections. But the one thing that was missing was a universal peelable DIY gloss top coat that could go over basically all of those peelable aerosols. And today, we've got it. This is the DYC Gloss Top Coat Aerosol. It can go over PDS aerosols, Dip Pearl aerosols, and almost all HyperDip aerosols. You're going to increase the shine and the gloss level and the clarity and metallic effect of any of these colors. So, I'm going to talk to you about what it does a great job of, what it doesn't do, how to use it, and show you some awesome examples today. So, what it is again, a DIY, easy to use, easy to spray way to increase the gloss levels, the clarity, the metallic effect, even the color shifting effect of all of our peelable aerosols. This is not a 2K clear coat. I know in a lot of our videos, you've seen us use 2K clear coats on a lot of our paints, which is obviously permanent, scratch resistant, gas resistant. This is not a 2K, it's a 1K. It's made to be simple, DIY friendly, and fast, okay? It's going to increase that gloss level, but of course, I never oversell or overpromise. It's not going to match a 2K finish. With that said, it does an incredible job. So what can you use it over and what can't you use it over? All PDS colors across the board. Regular PDS Performance Series, it does an incredible job over the Performance Series because of the metallic effect. All of our Dip Pearl aerosols across the board. That's solid pearls, color shifts, hyper shifts. It does a great job there too. And over almost all HyperDip colors, it does a very, very good job over the metallic HyperDip. Where I don't think you use it is over the solid black HyperDip, the frozen black and the shadow black. The reason why is because we have piano black. And I don't want to see you guys waste money on shadow black and frozen black and then spend more money on gloss top coat when you can just do the piano black and do a lower budget project there. So don't waste the money there. It works great everywhere else. So how do you use it? Well, after your last base coat, whether that's PDS, Dip Pearl, or HyperDip, you're going to wait about 30 to 40 minutes to let that base coat fully flash out, and then you're going to spray 2 wet coats of the DYC Gloss Top Coat on top. You could do 1 wet coat if you just want kind of a semi-gloss finish to enhance the sheen and enhance the clarity without getting too much gloss, but I kind of like to use 2 wet coats. It gives you a nice, rich gloss there. You're going to wait about 20 to 25 minutes in between each gloss coat. You want the gloss coats to dry completely before you put the next one on. I know a lot of you are going to ask, can I do 3? You can, but you want to make sure that you keep the texture as low as possible. And I feel like you get a really good gloss with a nice smooth finish with just 2 wet coats, but if you want to go to 3, go for it. The way you're going to spray the gloss is 50% or 75% overlapping passes, depending on your preference, but you want to fully wet out the surface. You don't want to spray it too light. You definitely don't want to spray it too dry. That's going to impact the texture and the gloss level. So nice overlapping passes, so you're going to fully wet out that surface. Let it dry, put your second coat down. And then the next day, if you want to enhance the protection and the feel, you can always put Dip Coat Ceramic on top. It feels incredible. So I've talked to you about the product and how to use it. Now the fun part, Gabe sprayed out a whole bunch of different colored speed shapes for us, and he did 2 of every color. So I'll be able to show you exactly what the color looks like before and after the gloss top coat so you can see the impact as a whole. You'll be able to find these cans on DipYourCar.com as individual cans, of course, and as add-ons in the wheel kits as well. So if you want to do a glossy wheel kit, super easy. So let's get right to the colors now. If you have any questions, CustomerService@DipYourCar.com will be more than happy to help. Enjoy the end result. Leave a comment below. Let me know which one's your favorite. I had a lot of fun on this project. I really hope you like the new product. I'll see you in the next video.